Hey everybody, Dynasty over here. Somebody requested this song. Somebody requested this song a long time ago, and I never had the version. But I just discovered I found the version. The version. It was Elvis's performance on the Milton Berle show when he did Hound Dog. And when everybody thought the song was done, he broke out into a slow bluesy kind of Hound Dog style. So, let's do it. Let's do it. Here we go. You're gonna like it. I guarantee it. Here we go. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't never gonna love it, and you ain't a friend of mine. We said high class, that was just a lie. You know, I said you was high class, but that was just a lie. You ain't never correct, ain't no friend of mine. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, shooting around my door, yeah. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, right all the time. You ain't never gonna have it, you ain't no friend of mine. Take it away, Charlie. Said you was high class, but that was just a lie. You know I said you was high class, that was just a lie. Well, you ain't never gonna have it, ain't no friend of mine. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Ain't nothing but a hound dog, all the time. You're never alright. You ain't no friend of mine. You ain't for nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't for nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Well, you ain't never correct, you ain't no friend of mine. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time, all the time. You ain't never correct, you ain't no friend of mine. What the hell? Okay, everybody have a good night.